and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And we are back with another videos, guys, as the title says, a day in my life. So yeah, let's get started with the video. And I've just woken up सुबह now and I have a class to attend, so I'm gonna get started with the class first of all, and then we're gonna start our rest of the day. Good morning. I usually start my days with the online classes, so I'm just gonna get started and attend my first class, and then I'll join you back. Guys, so I've got my uniform on and मैंने अपने बाल भी बाल लिए हैं, and I'm gonna do the Hindi class right now, and then I'll catch you up. I'm in the waiting room, तो भी थोड़ा टाइम है हमारे पास, but oops, I'm in. I just got done with my Hindi class and अभी बज रहे हैं 9:45, तो अभी काफ़ी टाइम है मेरी दूसरी क्लास की. मेरी नेक्स्ट क्लास है 11:50 पे, तो तब तक मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें करनी है. सो विल डू इट, बट उससे पहले हम लोग फ्रेशन अप होंगे एंड विल हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन आई विल कैच यू गाइस along with the breakfast. We can have a chit chat session maybe. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the actual thing that I do right now. So basically right now I don't have any classes to do. मेरी classes, as I said previously, मेरी next class 11:50 से होने वाली है, तो अभी like I have kind of like a little free time where I'll have to do some work. So I'm just gonna have my milk. ही गर्म है, तो like till the time में ठंडी हो जा रही, ठंडी भी होती तो भी I would do this. So I have this habit to create a to-do list for the next day. I usually do it like, I try कि मैं 2-3 दिन का साथ में ही कर लूँ to do list, because it just makes it easier, like for the things that I know कि मुझे surely उस date तक करनी है, like project submission, assignment submission, or like anything like that I know that I have to do it. I just like to pre-plan it and write it in the notes because it's easier. And okay, so and also guys, I try doing it with the notepad thing, मतलब अब रोज़ notepad पे लिखो and do it. It just doesn't work for me. I mean, I think it being on my phone makes it easier for me to do it. I don't know if it has some logic, but I think it just makes it more easier. And like, yeah, I don't know if it's a good thing or... Okay, so for the to-do list of today, the first thing I had to do is shoot this vlog, which I'm already doing, guys. I don't usually forget the vlog things because I think I just planned the last day, like the previous day or the previous night. So I usually have that in my mind. Next I have to complete my homework. Okay, so that's for the school thing. Then I have to clean my cupboard. Like that is a major task, and मैं इतने दिन से उसको delay करते करते थक गई. Then my mother like literally after me, when are you gonna do it? Just tell me when are you gonna do it. So I was like, okay, let's just do it today. I hope I do it today. I don't delay it any further. That's my plan, major agenda of today. Then I have to check, like I'm not gonna say the name of the app, like privacy issues, but okay, so there basically we have all the assignment updates and all the units and stuff. So we are just gonna check that, and also I have to check my school site for any updates of the syllabus or of the exams, or like of anything, or what's happening in the school, anything of such as there's any notification. So we're gonna check that out. Then I have to clean my room. I have to do this every day, so it's basically in my everyday ka list, but I have to do it today as well. Next I have to think about the storyboard. Okay, so I have like a storyboard in my room and I'm planning to decorate it since a long time, but मुझे कुछ भी नहीं सूझ रहा, because the kind of things I want in it, I'm just not getting the right stuff. मैं almost काफ़ी टाइम से मैं Pinterest में select कर रही हूँ, choose कर रही हूँ, तो 2-3 तो मिल गए, but I need more obviously. So I'm just waiting to like have like right things and just the way I need it and match the vibe of my storyboard and my room as well. So I have to check that out, and I hope आज मिल जाए, वो पूरा ख़त्म हो जाए guys. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से उस चीज़ पे अटकी हुई हूँ. And that's basically what I have, like the main things that I have to do for today are these, and this is basically how my to-do list looks like. I told you I have to do it on notes. It's way too easier. So now I'm just gonna have my milk and I'm gonna get started with checking my social media. I mean, किसकी सुबह यार बिना सोशल मीडिया चेक किए होती है? लाइक मेरी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती है गाइस। कमेंट बिलो अगर आप लाइक यू अवॉइड सोशल मीडिया द मोस्ट, मतलब आई कांट रियली अवॉइड। आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया नहीं होता है यार, मतलब इफ़ यू आर फ्री ना, लाइक अल्टीमेटली जस्ट एंड अप पुटिंग योर हैंड्स ऑन योर फोन. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll catch you guys what I'm gonna do next. So, bye. So I took a quick shower and I'm all ready in my school uniform, my hair tied for my next classes. And now I have like 3 classes back to back. First of English, then BSc, and then fashion studies. And बहुत थकने वाली हूँ for sure. Like 3 classes like literally back to back. That's why I took like a quick shower. वरना उसके बाद I wouldn't really get the time to like take a shower. I took a quick shower and I'm gonna get started with the classes. I guess I'll show you some BTS, like some behind the scenes of the classes. So let's see. Between the classes I get to play with him. Fugi, say hi. Hi. Fugi, say hi. This is the best part, guys. Fugi, say hi. Guys, I just got done with all the classes and I was really tired until somebody popped up. Show them your face. So now I'm just gonna chill with him. मैं तुम्हारा बाल नहीं खराब कर सकती?
खराब कर सकते हैं।
तो फिर तुम क्यों ऐसे नहीं करने दे रहा मेरे को? एक बार पाउट करके दिखाओ। आर पाउट के इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, है ना? अच्छा ज़्यादा क्यूट कौन है, तुम की निक्की बुआ?
निक्की बुआ।
सच्ची?
सच्ची।
बोलो हाय।
हाय।
हाउ आर यू? Please subscribe. Please.
कर पाई।
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes. It's around like it's 9:08 right now, and if you're wondering what did I do all this while, so like I was playing with Daksh all this while, like all at that time. Then I slept, and I had my tuitions to go, so I did that. Then I came back. Then I was just ate some Maggie, and there wasn't really anything like fun happening. But before that I should shoot and put it into this vlog, so I just it's like just left it. I'm like didn't really vlog it, and now I'll have to sit and study. मन तो नहीं है लेकिन करना तो पड़ेगा. But before we do that, I'm gonna apply some nail paint. Let's have some fun. Lockdown में बताए सबसे अच्छी चीज़ like जो मुझे लगी like after spending family time and like after all that, I think यार लड़कियों को like the school going girls उनको कितना ज़्यादा nail paint लगाने का opportunity मिला है. You can't even imagine, like seriously. Guys, so it's 9:21 right now. It took me a lot of time to apply my nail paint, but it's worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to my studies, and yep, I'll catch you later once I'm done studying. Bye. Guys, it's looking so good. Please don't judge my nail paint applying skill, huh? It's going, but still don't judge. And yeah, I'm done studying. Till then, keep looking me. And थोड़ी देर पढ़ने के बाद, I think the only task that is left for today is to clean my drawers, because cleaning the cupboard भी बचा है, but I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna postpone and delay for like some more days, and there will be one good day when I'm actually gonna do. So yeah, and that's gonna be pretty soon. I promise it's gonna be pretty soon. So I'll just study, and then I think after cleaning my drawer, that'll be end of my vlog, I guess, because I don't really have anything else to do for the day. So yeah, guys, and you some of you guys would not really like this vlog because I'm back and I've had my dinner. मैंने पढ़ाई भी कर ली because I'm a goody girl, and and the only task, गिर जाओ ना तुम, टिके क्यों रहते मेरे पे, गिर जाओ. And the only thing we are left with for today's task is literally cleaning this messy drawer. Doing this and we'll try to complete it ASAP because obviously मज़ा तो नहीं आने वाला मुझे काम करना इससे साफ सफाई में. So let's get started. Starting off with, we have my head started. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna, this video is probably gonna be because this is gonna be really boring for you guys to actually see me doing it. Plus, yeah, I mean, you can continue watching. So I'll do this and then I'll catch you guys. My task of cleaning the door is complete and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Ta-da guys, so this looks pretty clean and organized right now. I like to keep everything as per the segment. So yeah, this is what it looks now. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Yeah, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. So bye till then.